How to use ClickUp for video production. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the ClickUp platform for video production. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the specific dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen and we're going to head over one of the spaces. So basically you can go ahead and use the current spaces. You can, if you do not need one of them, you can go ahead and create from scratch. Or you can add or create a scratch and make it as or make the name of it as video production. And we're going to have the full edit for it. This is the default permission. I can go ahead and use a template and see if we're going to have a video, for example, something like that, which is going to be impossible. I think we're going to create it. As you can see, we have the everyday task or project management. So I'm going to have the product management or project management, create the space, and let me check a little bit. Here we have a space that I do not need. On the free plan, you're going to have up only to 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add the 5th one. Video production. Click on continue. Product management. Create the space. Wait for it and boom. Now we are going to get the different views. As you can see, like boards or the Kanban view, the calendar, the Gantt view, the team view, and every view that you're going to have. Now on the list, we can go ahead and have the to-do list. You can add, for example, the ender review. I can go ahead and have also another status. This is only one, complete or done. We're going to have another status which is going to be set up as, I don't know here, completed or published, and boom. You can go ahead and have these groups set up just like that. So for example, or the tasks to do, you're going to have them just like that. Now you're going to create your task, for example, create audio for maybe faceless less video of, I don't know, something like finance, just like that. Boom. You can create a subtask for it. Maybe you are going to have, for example, to create, I don't know here, a video for it. Video for, I don't know here, we're going to set up everything. You can set up the assignees, due dates, for example, like that. Set up the priority. And then you're going to have some automations going on right there. So from the to-do, you can go ahead and create, for example, some automations going on, or you can go ahead and take tasks from, let's say, here from this one to under review, like that. And then we are going to take it to done, for example, then published to published, just like that, and boom. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.